guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for those of you who don't already know, I post every single Tuesday at 12 p.m. If I was you, girl, I wouldn't want to miss out. So make sure you click that subscribe button. Now let's get into today's video. So today's product that I'm going to be using is Vrenmol. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I am going to be leaving a link in the description box. You can find this on Amazon. I think I purchased it for about 16 to 18 pounds. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but now I'm just showing you what comes in the kit. Comes with 6 different colors, and this is the color set that I chose. And yeah, let's get into this video. Sorry it's a little bit quick, guys. I didn't want this video to be really long, so I did speed it up a bit. I think the video is a little bit self-explanatory. I'm literally just putting the product onto my finger and smoothing it in. Like, that's literally all I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this kit does not come with a sip solution or a brush, so if you are new to nails, I would recommend making sure that you have that as well, because you will definitely need that. So yeah, girl, just thought I'd throw that out there. I then go in with my gold polygel, and then I apply that over the orange just because I wanted a bit of sparkle. The brush that I'm using doesn't have any numbers on it, so I'm not able to give you the specification of which brush this is. So apologies for that, guys. Also, if people want to see how I do my nails in more depth, then please let me know and I will make my videos longer. Oh, by the way, don't watch my thumb. I know it's not done, and that's a common thing in my videos. I find it hard to find false nail tips to fit my thumb because my thumb is so wide. So if anyone knows any nail tips out there that do sizes bigger than 00, let me know because I need that. Here, my nails are just filed. I just filed my nails down. I'm now applying a top coat and boom. This is the finished look, guys. So it's not that hard. It doesn't take too long. It's really easy. So give it a go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe. And yeah. Guys, I completely forgot to show you my other hand. What am I? Fucking numpty. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, anyways, I'm going to go now. Bye.